السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين. قال الله تعالى: وما أرسلناك إلا رحمة للعالمين. وقال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم: أنا خاتم النبيين لا نبي بعدي. In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful, all praises and thanks be to Allah, the Lord of the world. I would like to thank the Almighty Allah who has been giving us blessing and mercies, so we can attend this meeting program in a good condition. Peace and greeting be upon the noble Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who has brought us from the darkness to the lightness, from Jahiliyyah era to Islam era. A warm good evening to all of you present here. My name is Ubaidullah. I am going to be speaking to you today about the history of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Allah's Messenger Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was born of the famous Quraysh family of Mecca in 570 AD. His father's name was Abdullah and his mother's name was Amina. His father died before his birth. He lost his mother at the age of 6. He never told a lie, so people called him Al-Amin. He married a rich widow, Khadija radiallahu ta'ala anha, at the age of 25. He always went to the cave of Mount Hira for meditation. He is the last prophet and messenger of the Islam and the greatest of the world. Allah said in Surah Al-Anbiya, Surah number 21, chapter number 17, verses number 107. وَمَا أَرْسَلْنَاكَ إِلَّا رَحْمَةً لِلْعَالَمِينَ. And we have sent you, O Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam, not but as a mercy for the world. Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam said, أَنَا خَاتَمُ النَّبِيِّينَ لَا نَبِيَّ بَعْدِي. I am the last prophet. No any prophet will come after me. Thanks to all. وآخر دعوانا أن الحمد لله رب العالمين. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.